If you have 100,000 pesos and you're asking yourself, anong negosyo ba ang magandang simulan? Number 4, gadgets and appliance repair service. Mobile repair services, you don't need a shop, just tools, basic training and house calls. Services you can offer, phone repairs, laptop fixes, small appliances like rice cookers and fans. Capital breakdown, 20K for tools, 10K to train or hire technician, 10K for marketing, 60K for spare parts and mobility. And you need DTI also and barangay clearance for permits. No? Common challenges encountered here, lack of trust, clients might be cautious. So what you can do, offer no fix, no pay. Give receipts and show before, after photos. Best areas to start, residential zones like subdivisions or places without repair shops. Your marketing strategy, you could create your Facebook page, join barangay group chats, distribute flyers, offer home service packages. Projected earnings here, you can earn as much as 3,000 per day or 78,000 per month for an ROI of less than 2 to 3 months. You can also sell this by hiring more technicians or opening new business.